Okay, so 2022 is almost over and it's only right for me to do the best footballers of 2022 tier list. The first one is Messi. He recently won the World Cup with Argentina and he also did brilliantly for them as he's the GOAT.
He's the GOAT! The GOAT!
Next is Ronaldo. He was world class, but this season I think he fell off a little bit, so I'm gonna put him as good. Neymar, he is world class.
Mbappe
Is also world class for the PSG players. Lewandowski was world class when he played for Bayern, but then what happened to him after he signed to Barcelona, I don't even know. So I'm gonna put him as good. De Bruyne, I think he's a good player, but he needs to perform more for Belgium. So I'm gonna put him as good. Mo Salah, I'm gonna put him as good too. Casemiro, of course, GOAT. Sadio Mane is good. Van Dijk, I mean, it's 2022 and this guy still tries to defend with his aura and it's not working for him properly. So I'm gonna put him as mid. Ruben Diaz, he was good, but then he fell off a little bit this season, so he's also mid. Robertson, I think he's a very underrated players. One of the very underrated players, so I'm gonna put him as good. Pogba is a sticky one because he was playing for Man United, but then he left, and I think he's injured at the moment. But I don't think he's world class, so I'm gonna put him as good. Bruno, I mean, yeah, he's the GOAT. Roberto Carlos, GOAT. Rafael Varane, GOAT.
La caca!
Yeah, Alan Haaland he's a goal scoring machine, so I'm gonna put him as world class. Kane is a good player, but he unfortunately plays for Spurs, means that he's never gonna win a trophy in his life. So he's good. Son, same thing, amazing player, but he plays for Spurs, so he's not gonna win any trophy in his career. So Trent, I mean, he's just a crossed inshallah merchant, isn't he? I'm gonna put him as mid. Chiellini, you know, I'm gonna put him as coach just because he thinks that Harry Maguire is a world-class centre back. So yeah, De Jong should have joined us in the summer, but chose not to. So I'm gonna put him as mid. Kimmich is good. Manuel Neuer is good. Bernardo Silva, I think he's very underrated. I'm gonna put him as good. Luis Suarez is good. Karim Benzema, amazing player, scores a lot of goals, so he's world class to me. Toni Kroos is good. Sergio Ramos is good. He was world class, but he didn't play in the World Cup. He didn't get picked in the Spain national team, so to me it's just good. Di Maria, yeah. Jorginho, Sterling is good. Memphis Depay, I had a lot of hopes in him, but he hasn't delivered. So I'm gonna put him as mid. Paulo Dybala, he was world class at some point in 2017, but he fell off. Now he plays for Roma. So I'm gonna put him as good. Marco Reus is good. Jan Oblak is good. A lot of these players are just good. They're not world class, they're just good. Alisson is overrated, mid. Carlo Navas is a good goalkeeper. Courtois too. Hakimi is good. Gnabry is good. And Fabinho is mid. So that is my final tier list. of the best footballers in 2022. You can make your own tier list too. But yeah, this is my tier list for the best footballers of 2022. Safe.